In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.benzexperience.com, link in the description. To uninstall WordPress from HostGator, just click on Settings under your website and go to Settings again. Scroll down to the bottom, and next to Remove WordPress entirely, you can click on Remove WordPress. Check this option and click on Remove WordPress. Before that, I want to check this website first. As you can see, this is my WordPress. And after removing it like that, my WordPress website disappeared from HostGator. That was all for this video. If you like it and you want to encourage me make more videos, just like this one and make sure to subscribe.